This is the Evolution disc cutter. This machine has a 305mm blade which will give you the same depth of cut as a petrol cut-off machine like the one at the back there. This machine is available in 230 or 110 volts. This is the 230 volt version. This comes with a 2400 watt motor. One thing you'll notice about the Evolution machines is that the actual motors and the gearboxes on these are very powerful. You can cut most materials with these and you will never ever hear the machine slow down like you do with some other makes of machine. The motors and gearboxes are incredibly powerful. You can quite easily cut through a 4-inch brick with this machine because it has the same depth of cut as the petrol version. So machines like this are incredibly useful if you're cutting through any brickwork, any concrete, reinforced concrete, etc. This machine will do it very easily. You may be wondering what the advantage of an electric machine is over a petrol. That is quite simple. These machines are approximately half of the price of a petrol version, and also there are no toxic fumes when you are using this machine. This machine comes with a spindle lock which makes an easy blade change. You can also undo this knob and you can adjust the angle of the guide. There's a safety device on the trigger to prevent accidental use. You need to press in that button before you can depress the trigger. I'm now going to take this machine into the garden and I'm going to cut a piece of steel reinforced concrete with it. You can see that that has given us a nice clean cut on the concrete lintel. I'm now going to take this over to Chris, who is a good mate of mine. He's going to use this for cutting some C35 concrete, which is an incredibly tough type of concrete. Chris is going to cut the concrete using the Evolution disc cutter, and he is also going to cut the concrete using his own petrol disc cutter. We're now around the back of this house and Chris is going to cut a large slot down the brickwork from the bottom all the way up to the top. You can see that the machine is quite comfortably cutting through the bricks, although there is quite a bit of dust even with the vacuum attached. I have weighed these machines and the electric version is about a pound lighter than the petrol version. This machine is also a little bit smaller. If you look at the size of the engine and everything on that and the actual length of the machine, this machine is more compact. This machine will work immediately every time as soon as you plug it into the mains electric. These machines can be a bit problematic to start. I'd just like to point out that Chris has more than 33 years of building experience and he was very impressed with this machine, especially for the price. So if you're in the market for a disc cutter, it's well worth considering one of these machines. It could save you about £300 on the petrol version and do the job just as well. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and I would especially like to thank my good mate Chris, who allowed me on site to film him testing this machine out.